I'm making zucchini bread, but I also have some excess zucchini. So I'm going to freeze that so that I can make zucchini later, because this is the last zucchini that I'm getting out of my garden this year. The first step for that is to shred it. My favorite thing to use is a food processor because it's so fast. You could do it by hand, but not so fun. Also, it's far easier to write on the freezer bag before you put it in than it is after. So I just write what it is. So zucchini and the year. Generally speaking, it's good for about 4 months, but I'll use it far before then. When I go to shred the zucchini, it's really important that I cut it small enough that it will fit into the food processor. Generally speaking, for one this size, it would be in half and then in like 3-inch sections. I then load them into my machine and get it going. It's just so fast using a food processor. I can't see doing it by hand. I then measure out 4 cups of the shredded zucchini because that's what my zucchini bread recipe calls for. I've used it for things besides zucchini bread, but zucchini bread is probably my favorite. The next step is to load it in my bag. I've found that the best way to do that is for me to just roll over the top so I don't have to worry about it getting a lot of the zucchini on it. Once I have my zucchini in, I press out as much of the air as I can and seal it up. I then press the zucchini nice and flat and place it in my freezer just like that. This is some zucchini that I froze previously, and you can see that it just freezes nice and flat, so I'm able to stack one bag on top of the other, and then it's pre-portioned and perfect for when I'm ready to make zucchini bread.